All right, guys, here we are again. I've got asked a lot of times by some bunch of heavy DIY guys about some of the regular features that the launch Diagun IV does, because I've been doing, like, you know, keys and immobilizer stuff, and so we're gonna do a maintenance reset on this Volvo S40 here. It's like an 0607 S40. Had someone do the oil change, so we're gonna do the maintenance reset. They did like a level 1 maintenance, where we did oil filter inspection, check for leaks, couple things. So we go right into the special function. We'll click oil reset. We'll go down to Volvo. We'll select Volvo. It says to switch the ignition on. Press OK. It's going to read the vehicle information, give us the VIN. All right. Going to give us some instructions for the keys. We're going to press OK. Make sure you've read those. I'm going to do software reset because we want the tool to use. We want to use the tool instead of having to go through the manual cycling. We'll click automatic scan. Gives us the VIN. The car's an S40, 2006 model. And it says finished. So that was it, guys. Again, this is more like for some of you heavy DIY guys or some of you general service technicians looking for an inexpensive way to get in to be able to reset. So like I said, here's the Diagun X431 launch. So it's the Diagun IV. That's it, man. Looks like it did everything we needed it to do. Now if we do a manual reset, this function is manual reset mode, so it's probably just going to give us instructions on how to reset it. 2006, press the trip odometer reset button and hold, turn the ignition to the run position, wait 30 seconds or until the service lamp starts flashing, then you release the trip odometer button, and you'll turn the ignition off. At that point, it'll that's how you manually reset the procedure. So not only does the tool have the capability, the software capability to do the relearn, it also has the ability to do the relearn, or to tell you how to manually do the relearn. So there's lots of instructions and information in the tool. All right, guys, that is it for today. We will see you next time.